have come to Idato. I've expected by now they should have come with relief materials. I've expected by now they should have looked for the victims and support them. Because these are Imo people. You don't need to like my face to fulfill your oath of office. Now the local government people are living in Owerri. If local governments are living in Owerri, how do the people there survive? So on our own, we've been able to identify those families visited there to give them hope. Even the 5 million naira we disbursed to them is not enough compared to you have a child that is 1 year, they shot on the leg, the mother and the father was also killed. A lot of them there. So you need, a concerted effort to be able to support them. So to show that we have a government that cares. So it is because of that on my own little level, I launched what we call the Idato Emergency Fund to support the victims of this terrorist attack. Both the one that happened before in Akwakwa and the one that happened in Omaloma, the Jezi Zog, and in the Akwanta. So I rally ran my friends. As of yesterday night, from the alert we have received, we have gotten close to 32 million naira as of yesterday. Donations that came from my friends from different parts of the country. Our target is to raise 50 million naira to support this family. And by God's grace, before the next 4 or 5 days, we will cross that mark. So we can be able to support those families that have lost their breadwinners, and for the children that have lost their mother and their father, those that are going to take care of them, we give them money to boost their business so that they can have the resources to be sure that those children keep surviving. But that is not the best way to deal with it, because every month, Idato North and South receive an average of 400 to 350 million naira every 30 days. That is almost close to $1 billion when you put them together. So no matter whatever they are doing, it's important that you understand that that money that is sent to those local governments, especially Idato North and South. I don't care about other local governments if they don't want to fight for their right, that is their business. But for Idato North and South, that receives 400 million plus every 30 days, that money belongs to Mankechi, Madak, and Mpa John living in Idato. They must feel the impact of that resources. It's a must, it's not begging. Because it is local government, and the money comes from the federation account to those local governments. So we are beginning to demand that we cannot continue to live in the bushes, our people murdered and killed, and then we cannot get ordinary pure water from the local government system that by virtue of being from Idato, you are entitled to get development that comes from that money. Today we don't have water borehole in most of those communities. We don't have transformers. We don't have school. All our schools have collapsed. Now as a federal lawmaker, my responsibility is to make law and represent my people. But now I'm on the street every day, sinking water borehole. We have about 24 now that is running, doing transformers, doing schools now, and then doing solar backup for some of our gears who are living in the boarding, Catholic and Anglican boarding school. And that is distracting me. And that is why I'm demanding that where is our local government? So that they can perform their local government administration in terms of supporting our people. Because now, all the communities in Arondizor, most of them don't have a functional vigilante, especially a Jezie. Even where they are composed, they don't even have ordinary pump action. They don't even have motorbike. They don't even have, most of those traditional rulers, they are living in the cities. And you don't blame them. People are living. If we go to a Jezie when we went there, you can't even see anybody. Short, if a car passes, people will run into the bush. So I want the state government and also the federal government to consider. Idato has produced people who have added so much value to national progress and state progress. So supporting our people should be the minimum we can do, because that is the primary essence of government. And that is why I came to that. I said, let me share some of these thoughts with you, that we are in danger in terms of at the verge of extinction, in terms of erosion challenges, total road collapse. We also at the verge of extinction because of insecurity that is ravaging our land, and we can't sleep with 2 eyes closed. I've been around there since almost 1 week, or thereabouts, or 2 weeks. I know how horrible it has been with our people. I know the stories they tell, and I feel for them. And staying around is to see how I can help to inspire them. But we have a government at the state, we have a government at the local government, and I want to say that there's no way that a local government will receive 400 million plus from the Ministry of Finance, and then when you go to our local government, the two of them, they can't even cut their grass. They can't even put paracetamol in any of the health centers. They can't even do covert. Is this something that we should condemn or be scared to talk about because of anybody? No! No! The world must know. My people receive 400 million every month, but they don't have any sign of it. And that's why they can't have water, they can't have road, they can't have vigilante, they can't have security. And they've gotten to a point that we can no longer take it. So I'm urging those local government chairmen, whatever you're doing with that money, it belongs to the people. If somebody is taking it from you, then you have to tell the people you are accountable. to the people. And you have no business living in Owerri when the people you are locally is supposed to be in the village where you're supposed to administer them. You visit like a visitor, you run away to Owerri or Abuja. And also